You like to curl up on Megan, huh, Claire? Yeah. Megan was just eating Claire's foot. Hi, girls. Be careful. Don't grip her nose. This is why we have separate cribs at night, right, girls? Yeah, because we like to touch and play. Yeah. Oh, get her hand, Claire. You gonna eat it? Hi, Claire. Hi, Megan. Hi, baby. Lifting your legs up good. See, everybody can see how active you are. Yeah. Okay, see you next time.